1 year later, the United States is unrecognizable. Federal authorities has retreated to Washington, D.C. in a few fortified zones. States behave like separate nations, issuing their own ration cards, guarding their borders, hoarding what remains. Tens of millions are displaced. Families abandoned cities, walking highways into the countrysides. Tent city rise in fields and parking lots. Urban centers descend into chaos, ruled by gangs, militias, and desperate mobs. The grid is fractured. Vast regions remain dark. Epidemics sweep through the overcrowded camps. Modern healthcare is gone, replaced by a barter clinic. Surgeons stitch wounds with scavenged threads. Mothers deliver babies in candle-lit rooms. The military fractures further. Some units remain loyal to Washington. Others serve governors, and many dissolve entirely. Overseas bases are abandoned. America's global presence collapses overnight. Abroad, rivals seize the vacuum. China and the BRICS nation unveil a new commodity-backed currency, dethroning the dollar. The global order that once revolved around Washington shifts elsewhere. At home, the empire lies in ruin. A society built on abundance has descended into survival. And all of it began with numbers. Numbers that grew too large until trust itself shattered. When the debt passed $100 trillion, it was not just numbers on a screen. It was the unraveling of trust. And when trust broke, the system broke with it. From markets to money to the daily lives of millions. The fall of the dollar was the fall of the empire. And like all empires before it, the end came not with a single blow, but with a slow, grinding collapse that no one could stop.